Pulling together, understanding teamwork and unity in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, pulling together. This is a common expression in English that has a lot to do with teamwork and cooperation. If you're ready to dive into the nuances of this phrase and learn how to use it in your daily conversations, stay tuned. Pulling together is an idiomatic phrase in English that means to work cooperatively towards a common goal. It implies that each member of a group contributes their effort and skills to achieve something together. This phrase is often used in both professional and personal contexts. The origins of pulling together likely stem from physical activities where people literally had to pull or tug in unison, like in rowing or tug of war. Today, it's used metaphorically in various situations. For example, in a workplace, a team might pull together to meet a tight deadline, or a family might pull together to organize a big event. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. 1. The community pulled together to help those affected by the flood. 2. Our team is really pulling together to finish the project on time. 3. During difficult times, it's important for families to pull together. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are some: collaborate, cooperate, work together, join forces. While pulling together is an English phrase, the concept exists worldwide. Different cultures emphasize teamwork and unity in their own unique ways. This section can explore how various cultures interpret and value the concept of pulling together. That's all for today's video on the phrase, pulling together. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of this expression and how it reflects the importance of teamwork and unity. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and values they represent. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.